What's up, guys? Let me show you some magic. I click on the Ultimate plan, and at the checkout, I enter a special coupon code. Hit enter and save $50. How amazing is that? Let me show you how you can do the same. Click the link in my video description, and you will come to this page. Here, you'll get the latest working coupon code for Hostinger. Just click the copy button, and it will redirect you to the official website. Click on View Plans. You can go with any kind of plan, no matter which country you're from, or which currency, or even if the plan name is different, because it will work on all of them. For this demo, I'll show you with the unlimited plan. I click on Choose Plan. At the checkout, I just paste the code like this and hit enter. I save $50. This is how you can save money when buying Hostinger hosting. Now, let me tell you about the plans. Right now, they are running a special offer with 80% off on the unlimited plan. So, if you've been waiting for a long time and thinking about getting the best deal, this is the time, because you get unlimited websites and email inboxes, plus AI tools and priority support for maximum flexibility. You can add unlimited websites. You'll get one domain name for free for 1 year, 50 gigabytes of fast NVMe storage, daily backups with easy data restore, and a built-in CDN. It even comes with integrated e-commerce, premium AI tools, and 24/7 priority expert support. For building your site, you can use Vibe Coding with 15 credits, their drag-and-drop website builder, WordPress, or Node.js. To communicate and grow, you also get unlimited mailboxes per website and AI email marketing, both free for 1 year. This plan is truly a complete solution for long-term projects with everything included. You can also go with other kinds of plans like WordPress hosting. You can go with any kind of plan and my coupon code will work. So click the link in my video description.